You need to hear this if you're a green commuter. Electric buses are revolutionizing public transport, and here's why. First up, electric buses produce zero tailpipe emissions. That means cleaner air and fewer greenhouse gases. Next, thanks to advances in battery tech, they now have longer ranges and faster charging times. Plus, governments are jumping on board with subsidies and tax breaks, making them more affordable. But it's not just about the environment. Electric buses also cut down on operating and maintenance costs. As cities grow, these buses are perfect for smart urban living. Quiet, efficient and sustainable. Public and corporate commitment to green solutions is on the rise too. And with better charging infrastructure, the future is looking bright. The global market is booming, driving down costs and spurring innovation. So if you care about a greener planet, keep an eye on electric buses. They're not just a trend, they're the future.